Hey everybody, this is Pete with HydroBlox West, hydrobloxwest.com. Again, for more information, go to hydrobloxwest.com. We're in Northern California, and take a look at that hillside up there. All of the homes in this neighborhood, I'm told, have water under the houses. Out of the entire neighborhood, this is our customer. This is a beautiful redo. They put a second story on what was a plain Jane 3-bedroom ranch, and they turned this into just a beautiful home. But guess what? It had water issues. So they did all the construction. Basically, it's really a brand new home. And what we're doing is we're taking care of the downspouts and we're taking care of the drainage. And let me try to make this a relatively quick video. So we're using schedule 44-inch for all of the downspouts. There are 8 downspouts, and we've got to get all the downspouts water going out to the street. So we're using a sump pump, as you can see there, and we're also using gravity to take some of the water, a good portion of the water, out to the street naturally. But then what we're doing is, see, this corner of the house is where they have all the water intrusion coming under the home. And so as you can see over in the trench, there is a 2-board high curtain drain using HydroBlox that's going to protect the this side of the house, and then we're going to continue that curtain drain from the side of the house through the trench that you see here dug, and on all the way to the corner of the house. So this entire front of the house and side of the house will be protected from subsurface water flow, which is what they get from this hillside. But let's take a closer look. Okay. So one downspout that's going to get connected over here, and again, this is all going to also have HydroBlox in it. And then here's another downspout that's going to be connected, and it goes out to the street out here. We've already taken care of one downspout, and I forgot to take pictures and include in the video before it was done, but basically you can see the downspout, and we already dug that up and ported it out to the street. The problem is with the construction, you know, some folks, you know, they do what they do and they don't do anything else. The contractor that did this house didn't do anything with the downspout water, so all the downspouts were just dumping their water right out at the base of the house, which is not a good thing to do. Let me take you quickly into the backyard. Let's see if I can do this relatively quickly. So again, I didn't take pictures or video before we covered it all up, but basically starting here, we have a 2-board run of HydroBlox that's going to drain this yard and keep water from coming to the house. And so they're going to be landscaping all of this back here. You know, first things first, get the house built first, and now they're going to do the landscaping. Well, before you do the landscaping, you want to do the drainage. And so what we did was we tied that downspout in, coming through here, schedule 40 over to where my guys are working right now, and then we have tied this downspout coming right through here to there, and now we're in the process of working the HydroBlox with the 4-inch schedule 40, which is going out to the front street, which is where we started with the video. So for more information, so again, here we're taking care of the downspout water, which you have to do a lot of times. Some of you might be surprised that houses with drainage problems, well, you know, guess what? They have downspouts porting their water right at the base of their house. You've got to take care of that first. But then after that, you also have to take care of the both surface and subsurface drainage issues that a property might have. And that's what we're doing here. For more information, go to hydrobloxwest.com. Again, hydrobloxwest.com. And that's it.